If you've got a WordPress site and you've ever opened it on your Android phone only to find it, well, not looking so great, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to set WordPress to look good in Android. So, to get started, go ahead and open WordPress.com and start by checking your site. So, how it looks like. So to be able to check the mobile version, you can go ahead and right click on your page and then click on that inspect button. So you can also click on F12 to inspect this page, and then from here click on this mobile responsiveness icon in here. So that will allow you to view your WordPress website into different mobile, tablet, laptop, and PC version. So based on what we've seen, the theme that I have actually selected was mobile responsive, which is actually a great start. But if your theme is not mobile responsive, what you can do is to go ahead and head over to the appearance tab and then click on themes and then search for this popular mobile friendly and responsive themes such as Astra. So this is actually a very clean looking theme that you can use for your website, which is also mobile responsive. Another thing would be Ocean WP. So a responsive theme automatically adjusts your layout for different screen sizes so your site looks great whether it's on phone, tablet, or desktop. So you can also use a page builder like Elementor or the WordPress block editor to tweak your mobile layout, adjust font sizes, spacing, and hide elements that don't work well on small screens. So think mobile first. If something looks cluttered or hard to tap, simplify it. Mobile users need easy navigation. Use a hamburger menu or collapsible menu that's touch friendly. Make sure menu items are too close together. If users can't tap them easily, they'll bounce. So you can actually customize your menus on the appearance tab. Large images can slow down your site and look awkward in mobile, so use compressed formats like WebP or JPEG and set max speed to 100%. Your images should scale smoothly and load fast even on mobile data. Install caching plugins like WP Rocket or Lightspeed and enable easy loading for images and minimize CSS and JavaScript. Speed isn't just about convenience, it affects your SEO and bounce rate too. And that's it. You just made your WordPress site look amazing on Android. If